Hello cuties! Welcome back to our channel. In last video, we learnt about the letter S. In this video, we are going to see about the letter T. The sound of letter T and few words that starts with letter T. This is a capital T. This is a capital T. This is a lowercase t. This is a lowercase t. The sound of letter T is T. The sound of letter T is T. So, come let's see few words that starts with letter T. T for tiger. Tiger. T for tiger. T for train. Train. T for train. T for tomato. Tomato. T for tomato. T for tree. Tree. T for tree. T for truck. Truck. T for truck. T for table. Table. T for table. T for turtle. Turtle. T for turtle. T for turkey. Turkey. T for turkey. T for teddy. Teddy. T for teddy. Now, you all know the sound of letter T. Come, let's say it together. The sound of letter T is T. So, let's see the next letter U in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.